That's an A7, that, isn't it? It's an old A7. The one alongside there? I think it is. Yellow. Another Suzuki. And alongside that, an old Speed Queen. My Condor. And at the far end, yeah, Jerry's Reverter Jota. Very nice machine. We're at the Beehive again for a little run today. Lovely Lightning Clubman. A friend of mine had one of them years back. A nice Triumph alongside it. Another Triumph. Alongside that, a Motor Guzzi. $250 fees up on a trailer. Been modified a little bit, I think. Alongside that, C140 Bonneville. Hey Jerry, look at the kickstart quadrant down there, look.
Yeah, that's what's
Yeah, like a bicycle chain wheel.
Yeah, that's a new one.
A nice C150.
Yeah, this one is new, yeah. That's a new one.
Showing up there with a rather unusual pipe on it. Say it's fairly noisy. Old Sunbeam once again. Over here, another Jota. Like Jerry's was 120, I think the series is called.
I didn't know, it's right, they said we're going to have to get it on, you know? On the plate.
Oh yeah.
Is that a trophy?
Tiger 100.
No, it's a Tiger 100,
Tiger
is it?
100, I'd say. I'm only guessing.
I think it's a Tiger 100. The old Butch, you get ready to go. Old Unit Construction Visa. Don't know whether it's a A50 or an A65. It's one of the two anyway. There's an old Range Builder. That's a build as well.